Right. That's it. As you can see, yeah, that's off now. I need to cut the shaft. These two are connected because they were hitting the floor when we were rolling it out, and then remove that, and that'll be that on the ground, and then go onto that by moving that. So pretty easy actually. One interesting detail about these we didn't know about this. We have a guy who's done a few of these, and he came and said, "Hey, I've seen people completely destroy some of these bolts." And
all this great crested news, this common stout, or that truck.
And basically, these are the new ones, but some of the bolts have threads that go to the right, yeah, and some have threads that go to the left, opposite, right? So the top one will unscrew that down, and the bottom one will unscrew like a tab, regular to the left, right? So, and this guy said, "Look, I've seen too many people strip these bolts because they don't know that." Sorry. Strip these bolts because they don't know that the threads are opposed, and it's good that I knew that now. So when I got locked in, I just didn't hang from the spanner, because I would have destroyed it. And tried it the other way, it went. So that's it. I'll take the back axle out and then go on to the front. So yeah, that's what I'm basically doing today. And now the music comes on. Your barriers.